Hi all, today we are going to see how to connect MySQL in Power BI. So to connect MySQL, what we need to do, we need to go to Get Data, go click on More, type MySQL, click on MySQL database, click on Connect. So this in this dialog box, we can see it is asking for server information and database. So for that, we need to open MySQL now. Click on this connection. I'm giving the password now. So if we see, if we see here, so we have the use of this electric store data. So in this database, we have all these tables. So now we are going to connect this electric store one table here. So for that, what we need to do, we need to give the server details, right? Server details we can find in this section option. Here, if we see in this host, we will be finding the server name. It's called localhost. Click on type this localhost. Database is electric store ele underscore store underscore db. So the database also we need to give here. If required, we can give the select query here. Now whatever we have it in MySQL, right? Like whatever the SQL query which we need to write, we can write it and just giving the select query here. Click on OK. So now it is asking for the authentication. So through database we need to connect it. So it is asking for the username. Username we can find here in the section option only. We can find the user name here. Username is root. So I am just typing it as root. Password, whatever we have used for in MySQL login, right? That password I am giving it. So once it is done in this drop down, we can click on the server and the DB, whatever we have provided initially, right? That one we can click it and click on connect. Automatically it will take us to a dialog box called this. So this here we can either click on this transform data or load. Transform data, it take us to the Power Query editor where we can do all the transformation in Power BI. Load means it directly loads the table whatever we have here without any transformation. So as of now I'm just loading it. So this dialog box, it came because I have given the select query here, right? Select star from DB and the table name, electric store one I have given. So that's why it's directly taking us to this dialog box, or else it will show an option like list of option of the tables, whatever it is there under the database, right? Table names, it will be displaying here. Later, if we click on that, it takes us to this dialog box. So like that we can connect it. Like if we click on load, automatically whatever we have it in electric store one, it will be directly connecting here. So, like query one, it's been loaded, so we can rename it to electric store data table. So this is how we can connect the MySQL to Power BI. Thank you all.